This is the kind of incident that immediately raises alarms across global shipping routes. Welcome to Times XP's War Report. And a Turkish-operated oil tanker carrying crude oil loaded from Russia was struck by an explosion early Thursday in the Black Sea. Well, that's what authorities are suspecting. Well, can be a targeted attack. The vessel was operating under a Sierra Leone flag when the blast occurred near a highly sensitive maritime zone, and that is very close to Bosphorus approach route. In the meantime, Turkey's transport minister confirmed that the ship reported a sudden explosion in its engine room shortly after the midnight. He said that the incident it was reported directly to the emergency call center. And initial assessments they suggest that engine room may have been deliberately targeted in order to disable the vessel. In the meantime, here officials believe that the damage pattern it indicates an external and controlled strike rather than an internal accident. Authorities further suspect that this particular attack it was carried out at water level, possibly using an unmanned surface vehicle. You know what this means? This means that the strike may not have come from the air but from the sea itself, using a remote controlled or autonomous system. Let's talk about the nature now. The nature of the damage it supports the idea of a precise and targeted explosion aimed at very important section of the ship, which would immediately affect its ability to operate or even move. Then comes the location. While the exact location has not been officially confirmed, but Turkish media reports suggest that this incident it took place in less than 30 kilometers from the strategic Bosphorus Strait, one of the world's most important shipping routes, by the way. It connects Black Sea to the global maritime trade. After the explosion, ladies and gentlemen, emergency response teams they have been deployed to that particular area, and officials they are closely monitoring the whole situation as investigations continue into the cause and responsibility behind the blast.